Hello friends, today we are going to go further in the chapter of work, energy and power of 11th class, and I'll help you in solving further questions like 6.3 and others. Here you are looking at the website visionnotes.com, and you can take the help of this website also, or you will get lots of numerous things here like notes for the 11th class, for the maths and physics, video lectures, NCERT solutions, sample papers, assignments, etc. Video lectures are also available here for different chapters, so you can also view these lectures and make yourself happy. Okay, for the moment we are going to do questions 6.3. This is the question I'm looking at. This work energy chapter 11th class, given figure in 6.11. So I'm having 3 and 4 figures here. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 4 figures on which I have to deal with. Okay, 4 examples of potential energy. Functions, graphs are given here. I have to find out which graph is correct and which is wrong, and from what to what point, like this one. And if I see here, E represents total energy, V0 represents potential energy, and I know one formula, that is kinetic energy plus potential energy is equal to total energy, total mechanical energy. So kinetic energy is equal to ME minus P, and with the reference of this questions, ME is represented by E and this is by V, and the kinetic energy will always be a positive quantity and this cannot be negative, so E will always be greater than V. But as seen in this question, at this point I see that V0 is above than E, and why is that? This should not be possible. So in this case also, here a V0 is, through overall the graph, V is more than E. Here also V is more than E, so this graph is not possible, and this graph is not possible from minus infinity to A, because at A this V has become lower than E. So it is possible here, it is correct, this portion is correct, but this is again wrong, because again the potential energy has become more than E, that is total energy, which is not possible. And if we look at this graph, third, E is here and graph is given between V and X. So from minus infinity to minus B by 2, it's okay with the graph because V is lesser than E. But from minus B by 2 to A by 2, this should not be possible. And why is that? Because again V is more than E. So from minus B by 2 to minus A by 2, the graph is not possible. But again from minus A by 2 to plus A by 2, this graph is possible because V is less than E. And again from plus A by 2 to plus B by 2, the graph is not possible because V is more than E. And again from plus B by 2 to infinity, it is possible. So from this concept you can have your answers. And right now I'm looking at fourth question. Third is our the potential energy function of a particle executing a linear SHM is given by Vx half kx square. And what I have to do is I have to find out, I have to prove that, show that, because it is written, show that a particle of the total energy 1 joule. So total energy is given. So a particle executing SHM, there are two types of energies, kinetic energies and potential energy here. This is equal to mechanical energy. Let me stop for 1 second. So I was saying that kinetic energy and potential energy both adds up to mechanical energy, and for a SHM like this one, at extreme position like here, this object have energy, total energy, just in the form of potential energy, and kinetic energy is 0 at this point. So total energy is given, that is 1 joule. So I'll take this as potential energy is equal to 1 joule. And for a spring it is half kx square is equal to 1. So x square is equal to 2 by k, and k is 0.5, so it will be 4. So x is equal to plus minus 2. So this is done. It is proved that the value of x is plus minus 2 when it turns back. Thank you for now. Keep visiting visionnotes.com.